ITC Infotech is a global technology services and solutions provider, led by business and technology consulting. At ITC Infotech, we pride ourselves in providing business-friendly solutions to help our clients succeed and be future-ready. We understand the requirements of the industry and can tailor-make business-friendly technology solutions for the manufacturing industry. In the manufacturing domain, we have built world-class use cases and solutions that are deployed globally.
Hi, I'm Dr. Roland Nattermann and I'm the Director of Project Engineering at Knorr-Bremse Services. I'm responsible for engineering IT strategy development and IT process transformation for Knorr-Bremse Rail Division. Also, planning of Knorr-Bremse global IT landscape, multi-year budget planning and leading of global teams falls under my responsibility. ITC Infotech has been a technology partner for Knorr-Bremse Services in our PLM portfolio and has been the strategic partner for data migration from our legacy application. In this multi-year program, ITC Infotech has been constantly amazing in their deliverables. ITC Infotech has clearly proven their ability to understand Knorr-Bremse IT and business processes and has been a true partner. I honestly wish this partnership to grow and wish the dreams of both Knorr-Bremse and ITC Infotech to reach greater heights.